Today I am gonna teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First of all, make a white plus with a centerpiece yellow. Like this. Centerpiece yellow and a white plus. Now match the centerpiece. Like red with red. Then rotate it 180 degree. Again orange 180 degree. Green 180 degree. Blue 180 degree. Now look, you got a white red cross. Now you have to solve the corners. So see, this is red with green, then you have to put it in this place. Then it is red with blue, so red with blue is this place. Next is green with orange. In this way the first layer gets solved. Now it's time to solve the second layer. Now we get a complete white layer solved. Now next what we have to do is solve the second layer. For that what we have to do is complete 6 pieces of green, complete 6 pieces of orange, blue and then red. So first of all we will start with red with green. So it will come here, red with green. It has came here. Now next is orange with blue. So orange is here and blue is here. So again that formula only. So orange and blue also came there. Next is orange with green. Orange, green. At last I'm gonna give you all the formulas needed to solve the Rubik's cubes. So next is blue with red. So it will come here. In this way it is solved. 6 pieces of red, 6 pieces of green, 6 pieces of orange and then 6 pieces of blue. Now what we have to do is form a yellow cross over the top. For that there is one formula that you are going to get at the last. So now I am applying that formula. In this way we get a yellow cross. Now we have to solve the complete yellow layer. For that we are again going to apply one formula that is also I am going to show you at the last. In this way yellow top is completed. Now we have to place all the corners at right position. For that first of all you have to position 2 corners at right place. So we get yellow, green, orange and red. So putting at the back we will again apply one formula like this. So we get, in this way we get the cube solved. So here are the formulas. Thank you.